Yeah, testing. What is the testing? Since to find out the bug, to find out the fault, error, these all the things we have to find out. That the term is known as testing. What, whether we have achieved the right or not, each and everything we have to test it. So why we have to do it? If you find that if you do the testing, then we can know whether it is achieved or not, whether we have achieved our expectations or not. If it is not achieved, what are the things again we have to do it, that we have to see in the testing. So that way here the process of providing the program with a set of testing inputs are called test cases. We have to write test cases for each input and output. What the input, for example, login page we are testing, in the sense for login page, if we give the characters, what will happen? If we give numbers, what will happen? If we give a case sensitive, what will happen? If we combination of numbers, letters, what will happen? Like that, each test cases we have to find out what output we are getting, we have to see it. What is the fundamentals is error? Yes, what is the expected value, what is observed value, whether it is matching or what. If it is mismatch is error. Fault, in the sense that what is happening in the software, if required function is not happening, that is known as a failure. That the failure is how we know, by finding the fault. And what is the test techniques is, first we have to do the testing, we have to find the errors, we have to rectify errors, then we can achieve the reliability. The objective of the testing is to test it, to find out the undiscovered errors. The principles, it has to give a correctness to the client. So here, if it is a test cases is greater than 90, in the sense lesser than, between, in between values, all possible values we have to find out. Both the test processes, we have to error it, we have to repair, and we have to test, and we have to uncover the error. To do this, we have to plan the testing process. What is the strategy? Is this top-down testing? First, top level modules. First we have to take it from top to the main model by checking the sub model. As top to down strategies we have to follow. And the next is the bottom up testing. By testing the sub modules, it get covered off the main model. So this two type of testing strategies get followed. And next is a thread testing. Thread testing, in the sense it has to find out all the event. For example, when user is switching on is one event, we have to check it out whether it is properly on, whether it's off, and if it is on state, what are things happening. Washing machine, in the sense whether it is working by the time set, all possible time sets we have to check it out. Whistles blows, in the sense if the sound is coming, in which state it is coming out. This all the state checking is thread testing. Multiple thread testing is testing multiple inputs. If it is an ATM machine, in the sense while drawing cash, or to find the balance from different banks, showing the balance, all the possibilities we have to find out. Stress testing, in the sense if one app is if one project is working, laptop how it is, system how it is, mobile how it is, like that we have to check it out. Distributed systems is a stress test. Back to back testing is, if you are releasing first version starting to end, we have to check all the places. Same version 2, if you are releasing at the same, we have to follow it. If we are merging the new and old one also, we have to find out from top to down what are things that happen. We have start from the performance, we have to compare it, and we have to give the report. It is possible, it is common for version 1, version 2.